In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your hardware acceleration settings in Firefox. This can be a useful trick to optimize your browsing experience, depending on your computer's capabilities. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open up your Firefox browser. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the browser window, where you'll see a menu button symbolized by 3 horizontal lines. This is sometimes referred to as the hamburger menu. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the Settings option. This will take you to the main settings page where there's a wealth of customization options available for your browser. Firefox settings can sometimes seem a bit daunting, but don't worry. We're going to take it step by step. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a sidebar with several categories. Click on General. This section contains various options that allow you to tailor Firefox to your specific needs and preferences. You'll want to scroll down through this section until you find the Performance section. Now, things are about to get interesting as we dive into the hardware acceleration settings. Within the Performance section, you will notice that there's a checkbox labeled Use Recommended Performance Settings. You'll need to uncheck this box. By doing so, you're essentially unlocking additional options that were previously hidden, giving you more control over how Firefox performs. Now that you've got that unchecked, another option appears. Use hardware acceleration when available. This is where you make the crucial decision based on what your system can handle. Checking this box turns on hardware acceleration, which allows your computer's hardware to handle some of the graphical tasks, potentially speeding up your browsing. Conversely, unchecking this box will turn off hardware acceleration. This might be necessary if you're experiencing issues with certain websites or if your computer's hardware isn't quite up to the task. Once you've made your choice between enabling or disabling hardware acceleration, it's important to note that these changes won't take effect immediately. You'll need to close Firefox and then reopen it. This step ensures that your new settings are applied correctly. Just like that, you've adjusted your hardware acceleration settings. Making these changes can have a significant impact on your browsing experience. If you notice improvement, great. If not, you can always return to the settings and adjust accordingly. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to optimize Firefox to better suit your computer's capabilities. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing!